Alright guys, our next store is the Adidas factory store. We're gonna go check to see what they have. We're gonna check the hash wall real quick. We have these Oswego's in this colorway, size 11 for men. Let's see. It's on sale for $79.99 plus 40% off. So if you like that colorway, so it'll be around 45 bucks, $50 for this. And the next one is we see a Solar Blaze, size 13 for $69.97 plus 40% off. You have another one right above it, just a different colorway. And you have these ones, the Edge Flex. Size 11, $59.99. So it's around 34 bucks after discounts. And if you guys were looking for the Oswego in that colorway, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have a lot of those here. And if you guys are looking for slides or slippers, they have them here. They're all 40% off. And they have them in different colorways, black, white, blue. And you're looking for sports gym or backpacks, they have them here. They are prices marked plus 40% off. So just checking the women's side, they have Falcons and not much else. Very sparse. So they have a couple of Falcons. And that's it at the hash wall. And if you guys are looking for the Ultraboost 19 in the Buzz Lightyear colorway, they have them here. It's retail price though, but with 40% off. So if you have kids that love the Toy Story, they have full-size run here. And of course, you guys have the classic superstars here. It's retail price about 40%, so $70 minus 40. So it's around 42 bucks. You have them in different colorways for the kids. So these are the models for the women. The Ultraboost 2019. Most are right now retail price, so there's no discount on them. And if you get here to the uncaged ones that do have a discount, they're going for retail minus 40%. And there's just a regular Ultraboost. And I'm just gonna do a quick check at the men's side. Same thing like with the women, the 2019 Ultraboost, they're all regular price. Some are priced actually at, like this one, at $108, but no additional discount though. So they have these colorways here. The Ultraboost 2019, they're priced at $108. But no additional discount, so it's already discounted from $180. So on the men's side, they have the Alpha Boost here, regular price though, but with additional 40% off. If you guys are looking for men's classic Samba, they have this clear colorway. It's $70 minus 40% off. And they have the Dane 5s in this colorway. It looks like a camouflage. $115 plus additional discount. And they have another colorway here. And they have these Distortion X, $129. And you guys have the classic Superstars for men. from $80 minus 40%. So it's around 48 bucks. If you're looking for Adidas basketball shoes, that you have the crazy BYWs and this crazy colorway. $220 minus 40% off. They have a much more tamer one. This one, the black with a gum bottom outsole and partial midsole. And if that orange was wild enough for you guys, then you have this one, like a yellow Volt colorway. Again, same price, minus 40% off. Just looking for tops, or here they have this particular one, gray, 40% off from $50. So it's $30. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a day at the Nike outlet. Adidas outlet. And if you guys like this video, again, I try to release 2 to 3 videos a week, sneaker store like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have, thank you again. Please like, comment, and share. Until the next time, you guys.